Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I'm super glad to see you here today. I hope that you are having a great day or the day of your choice, because if you don't like the day you're having, you can always stop and change your focus and start it all over again. I've had to do that on many days in my life, and sometimes it's just nice to hear out loud that you can do that. So I'm going to ask you, if you don't mind, please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below, and I'll be really grateful for that. We're approaching 1,300 subscribers, and once we get there, we have a big giveaway to happen, and it's going to be full of lots of cool stuff. So if you're subscribed, then you'll be eligible for that contest coming up. Today, I can't tell you how excited I am to show you this palette and do two looks with one palette. And this is the Flight Club from Menagerie Cosmetics, and it is bat themed. And this is what it looks like in the pans. Look at those shimmers, look at those colors. They are rich, they are dynamic, they are beautiful. And if you'd like to know what they look like swatched on naked skin by naked fingers, this is what the 12 colors look like. This is a real nude color that you can't really see, but everything else is swatched just beautifully, and it is gorgeous, and I can't wait to play with it with brushes. Oh, I don't want to have the purple just in case it stains. You know, nobody wants a big purple stripy arm, or do they? Anyway, let's get started. I want to do two looks, and I'm going to try to do a soft look and then a bold look. That is my goal. Whether that happens or not, I don't know. It's all up in the air because I don't make big plans for my videos. I just kind of go by the seat of my pants and start with a color and then just go with the next one that seems cool to me. I'm going to start with Downside Up, the nude color, and the crease. That's beautiful. I'm going to put that all the way up into my brow bone, onto my lid. It is just a really beautiful, soft color. And there's a little bit of kick up in the pan, but what I have to remember is that these indie brands, they're not pressed as hard as some of the major brands where you have to kind of press hard and get in. Like, I don't have to do that with this palette. It's very soft and gorgeous, and I'm very excited to get in here and do the damn thing, as one would say. I'm going to go into Squeak with a fluffy brush. It's so pretty. I'm going to blend that out a little. It's just soft and pretty. That's what I'm trying to do with this. This eye is soft and pretty. I am next going to go into a little baddie. And that's just pretty. It just looks like an extension of the other colors. And I think that I'm going to deepen it up a little with Wing It. There's a little fallout under the eye. And that is super pretty. But I want a little bit of, I want it soft, but I want a pop of color. So Wing It didn't really do it for me. So I'm going to go into Sky Puppy. Let me get a blending brush. Let me get a little fiber brush to get that away. And I think I'm going to get a little highlighter from Ofra and its Star Island. I'm going to just put some on my finger and give a little shimmer to the upper under my brow. Oh, that looks good. A little pop in the inner corner. And that brightens it right on up. And then next up will be a bolder look, which I'm looking forward to. More of a dramatic eye. All right, so I'm going to start in the crease with a little baddie. And that is, of course, over here as well. I'm going to go into Flighty. That's looking dynamite. I'm going to go onto the lid with Nocturnal. Ooh, that is brilliant. That is gorgeous. I'm going to take a loose brush, a little fluffy brush, and get into downside up, put that under my brow bone. And I think I'm going to put a deeper color in a deeper shimmer in Megabat down here. I think I'm going to go back into a little baddie. I think that is two beautiful looks for this palette. I'm going to do liner and mascara next. And this palette is absolutely dynamic and beautiful. I'm going to use the Milani the Tank eyeliner for each look. And the mascara will be the Dark Star mascara from Pat McGrath. And now for the lippy. I think I'm going to go with a pinky kind of purpley color because I don't want to go full on purple because I have a soft look, the dramatic look. So I think I will do, oh, it's too pink. This is number 120 and it is Artist from Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink. And here we have it. Just a gorgeous two looks from the Flight Club palette, and I totally love it. I hope you guys have a great day or day of your choice, and I'll see you real soon.